And the moment is here. It's the moment of finally the wedding happening of Anant Ambani and Radhika Merchant. These are the latest visuals, live visuals on your screen. The groom's father, mother and the groom himself, Anant Ambani, full-on band baja barat that has started at the Jio Centre. Latest visuals, dressed in their best finery. Neeta Ambani ensuring the groom shining in all his glory. And this, remember, you're looking at one of the biggest business families right now of the world. And that's the reason global icons have arrived. We'll soon get you details of the designers behind this attire, but this is the visual everyone was waiting for. Of course, the bride will be there in just a short while. Light pastel colors, from what I can gather, light shades of orange and pink. That seem to be the theme and highlight, including white for the Ambani family. This, not yet the conclusion though, but one of the final days that we can see after months of pre-wedding festivities. What a day for Anant Ambani, clearly remember, to be marrying his sweetheart of years now, Radhika Merchant, and Anant Ambani to tie the knot in just a short while. But look at all the diamond jewelry that Neeta Ambani also is flaunting, dressed in a fine silk sari, and Mukesh Ambani in the shades of baby pink, while Anant Ambani in light orange. And if I'm correct, if I can see the brooch on his chest, it looks like there's an elephant, which is reflective of, remember, his love for animals, and the reflection of Vantara as well here. Of course, flaunted with and accompanying them, the brother and the sister-in-law, and the sister and brother-in-law as well. So what an interesting image there, the latest visual coming in from the Jio Centre. And Neeta Ambani following traditions, religion, spirituality, holding on to, as you can see in her hand, that's a certain traditional feature in a Hindu wedding, and specifically what we have seen Neeta Ambani with in the last few days as well. That is for all good wishes, blessings and prosperity. And to lead basically the Baratis, finally here, Mukesh Ambani all smiles. This is the youngest son getting married, and also I'm sure that you've noticed this is for this generation of the siblings and the children, this is the final wedding, and that's why the Ambani family has gone all out. So let's go on the ground. Sana Farzeen is at the Jio Centre where this wedding is taking place. Also, Roshni Vishwakarma is at Antilia. The guests have started to arrive. It's all colour and glitter as is expected from the Ambani wedding. Sana, I'll come to you first. What is it looking like? What do you see around you? Must be heavy security, clearly.
Absolutely, there's just a lot of security. Even the media has been asked to move away from the area. There's a certain area that they have kind of restricted. As you can see behind me, this is the Jio World Centre where the wedding is happening. The security, of course, because a lot of VIP guests are expected. A lot of VIP guests who were staying at Trident have already been transferred to the Jio Centre as the marriage function is about to begin. We are, of course, waiting for the Barat to come in. And definitely there's a lot of shor sharaba, there's a lot of hustling around. Everyone's just trying to catch a glimpse of the latest celebrity, latest guest to enter the stage. And of course, the Jio team is trying very hard to keep the area safe. And because it's also raining, we've been seeing them constantly just wiping the roads away just because there's a lot of water puddling around. And the traffic also has been congested, and so there's a lot
Sana,
of
stay on with me. Stay on with me. I want to get in a quick word from Roshni as well. She's at the residence of the Ambanis. What do you see? I'm sure the residence itself also wouldn't be any less decorated with the flowers, and the celebrations must be happening there as well.
Yes, as you can see, the entire interior is decked up, and it is not only from now. From last few days, this was decked up just like a mahal, and not less than like a mahal. And if you can see, the Barat has left few minutes back from here, from this gate, and still the singers are singing, the artists are singing, and they are still celebrating the occasion. The Baratis left, Anant and the entire family left from this gate few minutes back and have reached the Jio World Centre, and now they are giving their appearances there. But here, even though the groom has left and the family has left, they are still enchanting the Swagat song, I would say, to give a gist of what a memorable event is going to happen today. The Shadi is not only the
Fantastic
final.
what you're showing to us, Roshni, that even at the residence, this is not the wedding venue, but you can see celebrations are still ongoing. The Baratis, meanwhile, have reached the Jio Center to take their Dulhania back home. Radhika Merchant is all ready and decked up as a bride. I'm leaving you with these visuals. This, in a short while, will be a special telecast from 5 p.m. onward as Sneha Mordani takes over. The final wedding day, Shadi of the year, is here.